Welcome to the pine forests of Dalat. Leave the noise behind and step into a world of peace, where tall pines sway gently in the breeze and nature whispers its calming melody. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the sound of peace.
You can feel your worries slowly fade away. The lake reflects the sky like a mirror, and the flowers bloom as if they are smiling at you. When the night falls, Dalat becomes even more magical. The lights glow softly in the fog, creating a scene that feels like a gentle dream. If you're looking for peace, for silence, for something to heal your heart, Dalat is waiting for you. 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 Walking along the quiet roads, you can feel your worries slowly fade away. The lake reflects the sky like a mirror, and the flowers bloom as if they are smiling at you. When the night falls, Dalat becomes even more magical. The lights glow softly in the fog, creating a scene that feels like a gentle dream. If you're looking for peace, for silence, for something to heal your heart, Dalat, there is a peaceful place called Han Hong Lake, a place where time seems to slow down and everything feels calm. In the early morning, a soft mist gently covers the water, creating a dreamy and quiet atmosphere. The surface of the lake reflects the sky like a mirror, blending the colors of clouds, trees, and light. People walk slowly along the shore, breathing in the fresh air and enjoying the silence. The gentle breeze touches the trees, and the sound of nature feels like a soft melody